G'day, g'day! Welcome to Washing Dishes Around Australia, episode 7. Here we are at Lake Eppalock. Look at this little nook we found. It's a nice little nook. We've got popular things involving like fishing, jet skiing, water skiing, walking your dog, making a fire, or just sleeping in your car. That's what we chose to do. And we took the inflatable boat for a little paddle in there. It was quite enjoyable. Anyway, let's get on to the washing. What do we got here? We got pretty much the same as what we've usually seen. We've got cereal bowls. There's two of them. One's dirtier than the other. I think that's cinnamon. That's mostly cinnamon there. This one would be mine because I've cleaned it, pre-cleaned. We got coffee cups. We chipped one yesterday during packing up of the episode. That was a bit of a sad time. Okay, so splish splash. Let's get washing. Alright, stick these in the bottom. Probably should have used more water. There's not enough room to do the top things while these are in the bottom. Glad we're far away from those boats. Hey Roo.